Well, there's a number of aspects to drawing, and there's many types of drawing, from observational drawing to abstract drawing to technical drawing, and even technical drawing is important in this region, being an industrial region, so it's kind of embedded, I would say. As well as Middlesbrough being very strong on drawing, they used to have the Cleveland Drawing Biennale and still have a big collection of drawings in the Mima collection. So in terms of this region, it's very important. What Sally does is she finds objects with surfaces on which she can draw. And drawing in this sense is quite a broad term because she uses paint, she uses collage, and responds to these found surfaces. She's very much interested in exhausting a motif. It's a head motif, but the head becomes less important, and it's the investigation around it that really is the important thing for Sally.